Hi there, 7th graders. Mr. Kerr here as we get into week 9, which is the introduction to Unit 4, Global Interactions in the Eastern Hemisphere, is our final unit of the year. So Unit 4, Global Interactions. So what we're doing with this unit is we're really tying together the first 3 units. So we just finished up Unit 3, which is about economic networks, how different countries and their economic systems work and the different types of economic systems throughout the Eastern Hemisphere. Of course, Unit 1 was really about the foundations of civilizations, how civilizations began in the Eastern Hemisphere. Unit 2 was on types of government, both kind of looking back in history, but also currently. So we've looked at the history of the Eastern Hemisphere and how civilization started. We've looked at different types of government. We've looked at the economic networks. And now Unit 4, we're going to tie it all together. History, government, and economics. And we're going to tie it together and we call it global interactions. All right. So before we go, as always, this is my suggested schedule. I really strongly suggest that you go through and stick to the schedule. I know some people like to work mostly on social studies one day out of the week or so. I strongly recommend doing a little bit of social studies each day over the 5 days. Whether you're someone who comes on campus or not, this is a suggested schedule that I think works for most people. And then, as always, the weekend, if you're all caught up and you're done by Friday, then you have the whole weekend to yourself. I know a lot of you like to try and get everything in over the weekend, but anyways, follow the suggested schedule is my strong suggestion to you. Okay, you're going to go into Unit 4, Global Interactions in the Eastern Hemisphere. Week 9 is our only week in here so far. We have a writing diagnostic, so open that up, take a look at it. Do the best writing you can. About one good solid paragraph is good. It doesn't need to be much more than that. Definitely not underneath less than that. If you want to write more than that, that's fine. But at the very least, one good solid paragraph. We have some vocabulary definitions that I want you to go through in this discussion board about how time has changed our thinking about being connected, where you will be using some of your vocab. And of course, we have a quiz. I want you to, so on Monday, you should do the diagnostic writing, which kind of sets us up for the whole unit. And remember, on a diagnostic, I don't expect you to know all the perfect answers for a Unit 4 Global Interactions unit. But I want you to do some good writing in response to that prompt. Do it on Monday, and of course, take the quiz once on Monday so you know the vocab and what we're really looking for here. And then I'll open it again on Thursday or Friday. You can take it 2 more times. Everyone gets 100%. Okay, that's week 9 as we get going into Unit 4, Global Interactions in the Eastern Hemisphere. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see some of you for bowling on Wednesday. And with that, talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.